Top 5 Best Survival Cards, How a Deck of Cards Could Save Your Life. If you spend a lot of time outdoors, but don't want to be weighed down with too much heavy gear, one of these lightweight and compact survival cards can replace some of your bulky tools. They'll help you catch food, start fires, heal injuries, and more. We've ranked them by their versatility, ease of use, and practicality. Note that none of these will, on their own, replace a full survival kit. When users buy our independently chosen editorial selections, we may earn commissions to help fund the review parks. Best Belay Devices. Best belay devices for climbing rock walls. Number 1 Tag Wallet Multi-Tool. Number 2 Wallet Ninja Multi-Tool Card. Crazy Sale.
Just incredible here. I've got 18 powerful everyday tools with me. And no, it's not any of these, but it's right here in my wallet. The Wallet Ninja. You got your Phillips, flathead, virtually any sized household screw, including those teeny tiny ones and eyeglasses. 6-sized hex wrenches for a quick tighten, can opener for camping trips, bottle opener for barbecues, box opener, fruit peeler, letter opener. It has a centimeter ruler on one side. Flip it over, you got inches. Now watch. Slide any credit card into the slit, and now it's a stand for your smartphone. What? We just took all this and put it into this.
Number 3 37-in-1 Wallet Multi-Tool Card Gift Set.
Let's go. Turn it up. Let's go.
Ready Man, the original medical survival card. Crazy Sale. Survival Cards Original 22-in-1. Crazy Sale.